Today we're changing the wheel cylinder. Got this from O'Reilly's. Back wheel cylinder is leaking, so we need to take this off first. You need some WD-40. This will help you out, because this is not going to be easy to take off. All that rust. Well, you need to take a sledgehammer and hit right here. You see, right between these, and it'll break it free. I couldn't really record it, but it's pretty much broke loose. I just gotta hit the bottom. But just in case, I have a sledgehammer ready. And there it is. Leaking all over the place. Look at that, got it all dirty in there. Shit. Okay, this is the tools you're gonna need. Let's see, a 9/16 with the open end like that. And then this worked out pretty good for me. It's long reach drive ratchet. Got it from Harbor Freight. Expensive. Size 13 millimeter. You got 2 bolts. You have to unscrew from the back. And you can see them right there, them 2. And then that one right there, which that will fit perfect. All right, that's the tools you're gonna need. And refreshment, if you need refreshment, can't go wrong. It's a good refreshment. Check this out. I don't take all that off. For sure, I ain't gonna remember. But you just slide it out them little slots right there. See right there, the grooves. They go right there. This is the old one, here's the new one. You just use these, put them right back in there, and slide it right back in place. Make sure that brake line go right into that hole right there. Avoid all that trouble. You just put the clip right there. Right there, and then we gotta screw them back. New one's in. Good to go. It's a wrap. Checked everything, everything's good. Gotta put everything back on.